Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to use this Home Sweet Home stamp set and I really love it. I'm very happy that I have it. I have also dies for it. I have here some oxide, distress oxide inks, some Karin markers, and this is the one from the free cards which I'm going to make. This one is going to be made by night and I hope you will like it. I'm blending the background using Distress Oxides inks. The colors are Wilted Violet and Blueprint Sketch. I think I will also use Black Soot, the black one, and some very dark blue from DecoTime ink. When the background is ready, let's do some stamping. I have here these cute houses and I'm going to paint them with watercolor Karin markers. I really love coloring with watercolor markers. They are just perfect for me. I love Karin markers. I said it before, but I will say it once again. I'm using some water to blend them and it gives me a beautiful effect, which you can see now on my card. For trees and bushes, I'm using Copic markers. I have two green colors, a darker and lighter. When my painting is ready, it's time to cut it. I'm using my die cutting machine, as you can see it now. Wow, it looks so cute with this background. I really love it. Let's add some other things. My main idea of the card is the sign which says home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects. So I have this sign of the Wi-Fi signal, and I'm using my white embossing powder to emboss it. Using heating tool, I'm melting the powder. I think I will add some stars. And of course the moon, which is going to be embossed as well, but I will use this beautiful crystal powder, which will give me the beautiful sparkling effect. So let's connect everything together using foam tape. And the front of the card is ready. I will just trim it a little bit. Now I will make some base. I have this beautiful black paper which has small sparkling dots which looks like stars. So, the card is ready. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this card as much as I do. And as I said before, this is one of the 3 which I'm going to make. So I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye!